How to save canned messages on Gmail. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open it up in the search bar, search for mail.google.com and then sign in into your Gmail. Once you're signed in, you want to go ahead and tap on the settings icon and then simply tap on see all settings. Now inside settings, simply tap on advanced, scroll below and then you can find an option that says template. So canned is also known as template. So you want to go ahead and enable this. Once you enable this, scroll below and then simply tap on save changes. Now as soon as you enable the template, go ahead and tap on compose. Simply compose your email and then tap on this three dot. Tap on templates. After that, simply select save drafts as template and then tap on save as new template. Just like so, give it a name and then tap on save. Well, that is simply how to save canned messages in Gmail. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.